Greetings again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we're going to solve another algebraic exponential equation where we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 90, and we are given to find the value of x in this situation. You may feel free to pause this video at any time to see if you can solve this problem. If you like, you can check out my playlist to learn how to solve other algebraic exponential equations like this one. Alright, so here's our solution. So we say that we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 90. And we are trying to find the value of x in this equation. Now we can express 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x as 2 times 5 to the power of x equals 90. And then we can divide both sides by 2, so 2 will be cancelled out on the left, and on the right we would have 45. So 5 to the power of x equals 45, as 2 into 90 gives us 45. And now that we have this, we can use our logarithm to solve the value of x, where we have log 5x is now equal to log 45. Now in using logarithm to solve the value of x, it means that we can now apply our logarithm rule. Our logarithm rule states that log x to the power of y is equal to y log x. Now this rule can be applied on log 5 to the power of x. So we will rewrite that as x log 5, and we still have that equal to the log of 45. Now this rule makes it possible to solve for x, where we can divide both sides by the log of 5. So we have log 5 is going to cancel log 5 on the left, and on the right that will be log 45 over log 5. So then my value for x is that x is equal to the log of 45 over log 5. The log of 45 can be simplified further. So the log of 45 can be simplified as log in bracket 9 times 5. So that should be a 9. So we have 9, and we're going to have that times 5 over log 5. Now this can be simplified a bit further, where we have log 9 times 5. We can use our logarithm rule. So where we have log a times b, or log ab, we can set that as the log of a plus the log of b. Now in using this rule, it means that we would now have x is equal to log 9 plus log 5, and as we have it before, we have all of that over log 5. We can now express our equation as log 9 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. And now it should be obvious to us that we are going to cancel out our log 5 by saying log 5 into log 5 goes one time. So in doing this, it would mean that we would now have, for the value of x, x is equal to the log of 9 over log 5 plus 1. So here we have log 9 over log 5. We can simplify this a bit further. So I'm just going to rewrite the value of x down here, and then we're going to see how we can simplify this a bit further. Now technically we have our answer as x is equal to log 9 over log 5 plus 1, and this is our answer. But it's just that we can use our logarithm rule and express this a bit simpler. So here we could have our equation expressed where we have log a over log b is equal to log base b of a. So by using this logarithm rule, we can express the value of x in a more simplified way. So now this means that x is therefore equal to 1 plus log base 5 of 9. And this is my final solution for x. Now let's see if we can verify our solution. So here we said that x is equal to 1 plus log base 5 of 9. So now I'm going to show you how to prove that x is equal to 1 plus log base 5 of 9. So now our equation is that 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 90. So we are just going to rewrite this using the value of x. So we say that 5 to the power of, we say that x is equal to 1 plus log base 5 of 9. So we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log base 5 of 9 plus 5 to the power of 1 again plus log base 5 of 9 is equal to 90. Now let us look at a little index law where we have right here. So where we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log base 5 of 9. The index rule that states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So where we have the same base, we just simply add our powers. When multiplying by the same base, we just add our powers. So where we have this equation up here, where we have 5 and the value of x here, we can write that as 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log base 5 of 9 plus 5 to the power of 1 again times 5 to the power of log base 5 of 9, and that's equal to 90. Now I want us to look right here where we have 5 to the power of log base 5 of 9. There is a little logarithm rule that I would like us to look at. So where we have x to the power of log base x of y, if we look here, the base are the same, and whenever the base are the same, the answer is going to be y. So let's look at that. So where we have 5 to the power of log base 5, we see where the base are the same, and once the base are the same, it means that our answer is 9. And then we just write that out again as 5 times 9, and we said that that's equals to 90. Now in our order of operation, we do multiplications first. So we say 5 times 9 plus the value of 5 times 9. 5 times 9 gives us 45. We add that to the value of 5 times 9 again. And so we have that equals to 90. And there we have it. 45 plus 45 indeed equals 90. So our answer is verified. X therefore equals 1 plus log base 5 of 9. So this is my value for x, and it is now verified. To see more of these videos, please smash that like button and subscribe for more. And until then, take care.